Hey guys, Greg here, Underground Graphics. Today we're going to go over this new awesome wrap color. If you haven't already seen this online, this is something that it took us 8 months to get done. This is Wimby White. So this is going to be the color that's the closest match to Ford's Wimbledon White. This is a paint swatch that we took to SEMA last year, and we're blessed to work with Oracle and Fellers to get this color made. So as of now, by the time you watch this video, exclusively at Fellers and Underground Graphics, Wimby White is going to be the color to get you that nostalgic look from those old Fords and the Mustangs and Broncos. We were so excited for this. It's rare that anyone gets a custom color made, but after enough begging and pleading, we got this done. As of now, they are limited rolls. Hopefully, if things go well, this will be a color that stays in the catalog. So again, Wimby White. This is our proud example on our shop Bronco. And again, available at Fellers, and you can also order this on our website. This will be the only color we carry, as we were a big part of it. And again, are just so thankful to have had this done and be a part of that. So if you have any questions, give us a call. Underground Graphics. Thank you, Fellers. Thank you, Oracle. See you next time.